If trading makes your heart race, you're already in trouble. That rush you're feeling isn't confidence. It's the market setting a trap. If a winning trade makes you excited, that's not a good sign. It's the exact moment most traders start losing money. Most traders think excitement means they're doing something right. They think the rush means they're locked in, synced with the market, ahead of the curve. They're wrong. That feeling is one of the clearest warning signs in trading, and almost nobody talks about it honestly. In this video, I'm going to show you why excitement is not a reward. It's a liability. You'll understand what that feeling actually means, how it destroys good traders, and what professionals do instead. Stay with me because by the end, you'll know how to strip emotion out of your trades. Let me tell you a story. There's a trader named Marcus. Smart guy, solid job, finance degree. He spent 6 months studying charts before he ever placed a trade. He did everything the right way. Then one afternoon, his first real trade went up $500 in under 2 hours. He felt unstoppable. Heart racing, hands shaking, phone glued to his face. He replayed the trade in his head all night, told his friends at dinner. In that moment, Marcus wasn't just happy. He felt like he figured the market out. 3 weeks later, Marcus was down $14,000. Not because he was lazy, not because he was stupid, because he confused excitement with skill. That first emotional high rewired how he traded. He started taking bigger positions, he skipped confirmations. That's the amateur's high. And if you've traded long enough, you've felt it too. Here's the part nobody likes to hear. Your brain doesn't know the difference between excitement and danger. They run on the same system. When you get excited, your body releases adrenaline and cortisol. Those chemicals exist for one reason: survival. They help you run faster, fight harder. They do not help you analyze probability. So when you feel that rush during a trade, your brain shifts into reaction mode. Logic takes a back seat. Pattern seeking goes into overdrive. You start seeing setups that aren't there. You convince yourself you're early instead of wrong. You feel smarter than the market. You're not. Research backs this up. Traders who report high emotional arousal perform dramatically worse. One study showed a 47% lower success rate when emotions run high. Another found that when emotional arousal spikes, activity in the prefrontal cortex drops by up to 60%. Professional traders figured this out a long time ago. That's why they don't celebrate when a trade goes their way. $5,000 up doesn't move them. $10,000 down doesn't shake them. They're not numb. They're disciplined. Excitement is not the goal. Execution is. Here's what excitement really is. It's your brain rewarding itself before the outcome is known. You see a setup, your heart rate goes up, nothing has happened yet, but your brain acts like it already won. That's called anticipatory dopamine. It's dangerous because once your brain gets that reward early, it stops caring about the process. Professionals do the opposite. When a trade feels good, they get suspicious. They know the market loves confidence right before punishment. This is why the best traders in the world describe trading as boring. Not because they hate money, because boredom means the system is running. No adrenaline, no fear, just rules. When excitement hits, the amygdala lights up. It reacts. It doesn't think. It doesn't understand risk management. A trade that could make $50 feels the same as one that could make $5,000. Your brain can't tell the difference. At the same time, the prefrontal cortex starts to shut down. And here's the uncomfortable truth. The market is built to trigger this. Institutions spend billions designing systems that create emotional reactions. They know where retail traders feel fear. They know where excitement peaks. Every time you feel that rush, there's a real chance you're reacting to manipulation, not opportunity. So how do you fix this? How do you replace excitement with control? Here are 3 adjustments you can start using today. First adjustment, create physical separation between emotion and execution. Before you place a trade, write everything down. Entry, exit, stop, size, then step away for 5 minutes. Get water, breathe, do nothing. When you come back, only place the trade if it still matches what you wrote. Second adjustment, practice losing without reacting. Open a demo account. Take trades designed to lose. Yes, on purpose. Watch price move against you and do nothing. You're training your nervous system to understand that loss doesn't require action. This builds tolerance. Third adjustment, audit your emotions after every session. Write down how you felt during each trade. Excited, calm, nervous. Then compare that to the results. Your best trades happened when you felt nothing. Your worst trades happened when you felt something strong. Awareness creates control. Here's the shift. Excitement isn't proof you're good at trading. It's proof you're vulnerable. Amateurs chase the feeling. Professionals avoid it. Trading isn't supposed to feel exciting. It's supposed to feel dull, repetitive, boring. That's how money gets made. Every time you feel that rush, recognize it for what it is. A warning bell, not a green light. The market doesn't care how confident you feel. It only cares whether you're right. And you're far more likely to be right when your brain is calm, quiet, and fully online. Now get back to the process. Get back to work.